Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very quick and easy quilt as you go placemat. It is included in my In the Kitchen series. So let's get started. Once I cut my fabric, I sprayed the back lining with some temporary quilting spray. And now I begin adding my strips. The first strip you apply facing up. And now for the rest of the strips, apply them right sides together and sew. I finger press, but you can also take it to the ironing board and iron. Once I have all of my strips attached, I like to change my stitch length to the highest and baste around the whole placemat. And now I like to trim any excess batting. And now we begin to add the binding. And now it's time to sew the binding. You can either hand sew or use a sewing machine. And today I'm going to be using the sewing machine. And this is just optional, but I also added a little bit of lace trim. And now our placemat is complete. Well, happy sewing, everybody. See you next time.